Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine, happy and healthy. Welcome to our Chate group of online education in first standard class. Our today's subject is English grammar. In our previous class, we already completed our lesson number 27 and today we are going to learn lesson number 28. Okay students, let's see. Students, look at the board. This is our lesson number 28. Joining words. Joining words. Joining words are those words which join two sentences. Okay. For example, sentence number 1 and sentence number 2. Okay. First sentence is I like mango. I like mango. And second sentence is I like apple. म्हणजे काय? मला आंबा आवडतो आणि मला सफरचंद आवडते. मग ह्या दोन वाक्यांचं आपण एक वाक्य तयार करणार आहे. ओके, दीज आर टू सेंटेन्सेस अँड जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स काय करतात? ह्या दोन सेंटेन्स एक सेंटेन्स तयार करतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय लाईक मँगो अँड ॲपल. आय लाईक मँगो अँड ॲपल हे दोन सेंटेन्स आपण कोणत्या शब्दाने जॉईन केलेले आहेत? अँड, AND, अँड. ओके, सो आय लाईक mango and apple. So this is joining word. Okay, this is our lesson number 28. Joining words. Joining म्हणजे काय? जोडणे आणि जोडणारे शब्द. Okay, look at these pictures and read the sentences given here. Look at these pictures and read the sentences given here. A. Nina has a book. She is Nina. Her name is Nina. Okay, Nina has a book. See, she has a book. Nina has a pencil. Look at this picture. She has a pencil and book. And Nina has a book and a pencil. See, this is sentence number 1 and this is sentence number 2. ओके, आणि अँड वापरून आपण काय केलेलं आहे? ह्या दोन सेंटेन्सचं एक सेंटेन्स तयार केलेलं आहे. आय विल रिपीट इट अगेन. लिसन केअरफुली स्टुडंट्स. नीना हॅज अ बुक. नीना हॅज अ पेन्सिल. नीनाकडे बुक आहे आणि नीनाकडे पेन्सिल पण आहे. अँड आवर न्यू सेंटेन्स इज नीना हॅज अ बुक अँड अ पेन्सिल. नीनाकडे बुक आणि पेन्सिल आहे. ओके, example number 2 is, look at this picture. Ranu draws a heart. Ranu colors it. She is Ranu and Ranu draws a heart. Look at this picture. This is heart. She draws a heart and Ranu colors it. रानूने काय केलेलं आहे? हर्ट. हर्ट म्हणजे झोपडी किंवा घर ड्रॉ केलेलं आहे आणि त्याला कलर केलेला आहे. and our new sentence is Ranu draws a heart and color it. Ranu draws a heart and color it. बघा, AND, and ह्या शब्दाने आपण काय केलेलं आहे? दोन सेंटेन्स एक केलेले आहेत. Here we use and to join two sentences. Here we use and to join two sentences. We have joined the two sentences by using and वापरून आपण इथे दोन सेंटेन्स जॉईन केलेले आहेत किंवा एकत्र केलेले आहेत. The word and is the word that joins the two sentences. The word and is the word. and हा कुठला शब्द आहे? That joins the two sentences. त्याच्यामुळे दोन सेंटेन्सेस आपण जॉईन करू शकतो. Look at the pictures look at the pictures of children given below. Each child has two things. Read and join the two sentences and with and. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? अँड वापरून आपल्याला इथे दोन सेंटेन्स दिलेले आहेत. त्या दोन सेंटेन्सचं एक सेंटेन्स तयार करायचं आहे. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, पारुल हॅज अ बॅग. पारुल, शी इज पारुल and she has a bag. Parul has a bag. Parul has a bottle. She has a bag and she has a bottle. बघा, इथे दोन सेंटेन्स आहेत. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? अँड वापरायचं आहे आणि एक सेंटेन्स तयार करायचं आहे. Parul has a bag and a bottle. Okay, so this is our new sentence, one sentence. Okay, Parul has a bag and a bottle. Ram has a cake. He is Ram. His name is Ram. And Ram has a cake. Look at this picture. This is cake. Ram has a candle. Ram has a cake and Ram has a candle. And new sentence is, one sentence is, Ram has a cake and a candle. Okay, so write here and. Ram has a cake and a candle. Okay, students, समझते ना? Mona has a dog. Mona has a cat. Look at this picture. She is Mona and Mona has a dog and a cat. Okay. So our new sentence is Mona has a dog and a cat. मोनाकडे काय आहे? Dog. Dog म्हणजे कुत्रा and cat मांजर. Mona has a dog and a cat. Number 3 is Pappu has a kite. Look at this picture. He is Pappu and Pappu has a kite and Pappu has a balloon. This is kite and this is balloon. Pappu has a kite and a balloon. Sonu plays with a ball. He is Sonu. Sonu plays with a bat. Sonu plays with a ball. New sentence is Sonu plays with a bat and a ball. Okay. Section B is join the two group of that using and. Join the two groups of words using and. One has been done for you. बघा इथे आपल्याला दोन सेंटेन्स दिलेले आहेत ते आपल्याला पुन्हा and वापरून कंप्लीट करायचे आहेत. ओके. नंबर 1 इज द कॅट इज अँग्री. द कॅट इज हंग्री. द कॅट, कॅट म्हणजे मांजर. द कॅट इज अँग्री. अँग्री म्हणजे काय? अँग्री म्हणजे चिडलेला आहे किंवा रागवलेला आहे. अँड द कॅट इज हंग्री आणि भुकेलेला आहे. द कॅट इज अँग्री अँड हंग्री. कॅट कसा आहे? खूप चिडलेला आहे आणि भुकेलेला आहे. सॅम लाइक्स ॲपल्स. सॅम लाइक्स ऑरेंजेस. सॅम लाइक्स ॲपल्स इज वन सेंटेन्स and Sam likes oranges is another sentence. Okay, so add this sentence with using and. Okay, Sam likes apples and oranges. So write here Sam likes apples and oranges. Number 3 is Ramu jumps in the park. Ramu shouts in the park. Ramu jumps in the park is one sentence and Ramu shouts in the park is another sentence. So add this sentence with using and. Ramu jumps in the park and shouts. Ramu jumps and shouts in the park. Okay. Ramu jumps and shouts in the park. Number 4 is Diya likes fruits. Diya likes milk. Our answer is Diya likes fruits and milk. Diya likes fruits and milk. Okay, students? Do you understood? Okay, students. I hope you understood this. We will stop here. We will meet again in our next class. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Bye, students.